Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Don't Press the Button 4, but I'm sassy. So let's get started. So there's a volcano, okay, you'll not lose 100%. Look, it's me, I'm so famous they put me in the game. See, I pressed the button, only me. Oh, each hole in the wall, I'm totally gonna win, not like the noobs. See, I'm so good, you have to clap for me. Oh, that coin is all mine, just me, only me. See, I'm so cool that I won. My turn to press the button. I'm gonna win this game because I'm not a noob. How did I lose? Second time's a charm. How did I lose again? Third time's a charmy guess. Okay, let's do it right this time. I think I'm gonna make it. Well, I know I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. Yes, I made it like always. But in time. I pressed it like always. Oh, lightning, but I'm gonna win anyway, so no need to be scared. Speed running. But in time. Dinos. Rockets, I'm so good at rockets. Where are the rockets? There they are. Actually, I saw the rockets earlier, Sue. I can see I lied when I said I can't see. Anyway, let's play. I'm so dumb, I'm already playing. Wait, I mean the noobs are so dumb yet noobs. I'm so sassy and cool and have robo, not like the noobs. How did I die? But in time. I can always reach the top without losing once. How did I die? Let's try again. I'm totally gonna make it this time. How did I lose again? Time to drink my special drink. How did I lose again and my special drink failed me? But in time. Oh, I can totally reach the end. How did I lose? Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna win. Look at the noobs losing. How did I lose again? Can I please stop losing? But in time. Pressed it again. Ooh, Christmas. Time to catch presents. Santa put me on the nice list every year. Hello, Santa.
Hello.
You put me in the nice list every year, right?
No, every year I put you in the naughty list.
What, you're lying? I'm not lying. You are mean and sassy to people, even me. I'm sassy, but not mean. Well, you are in the naughty list, so live with it. Guys, don't believe Santa doesn't know anything. Ho ho ho, I know everything. All I are. And Santa, did you know you're fat and ugly? Well, dear, I'm not your mirror. Guys, don't believe Santa by ugly Santa. Bye. But in time. Logs, I'm so good at logs. How did I lose? Let's do this again. I'm a pro at this. So I'm surely gonna win. Look at me, I'm winning and speed running. Look at that, I won again. Now clap for me. But in time. Ugh, stupid noobs, press the button before me. I mean, I pressed the button. But nothing happened. The button is gone. Oh, I can totally find the button. Ugh, it's so hard. I mean, it's easy. How did the stupid noobs find the button? But in time. Oh, I can totally win this. This is so easy. Speed running. I'm so cool that I won. But in time. Always I am the one who presses the button. Oh, football, I'm so good at football. I'm making the blue team win because of me. See, I'm so good. I'm winning. The red team doesn't stand a chance. That's how good I am. How did no one score a goal? I won. But in time. Pressed it again. EWWWWWWWWW. I always rob the bank. I'm a pro at robbing a bank. UHMNVM, I'm not a criminal. I don't know how to rob a bank. Don't ask why I am so good. I'm not a criminal. Money, let's steal it. I'm so good escaping the bank. Don't tell the police. I'm so cool I escaped the bank. When is it button time? Actually, I know when it is button time. Only the noobs don't know when it is button time. Button time. I'm so good at red light, green light. How did I lose? Button time. I love spikes. Oh, so just don't go on the red things, cool. I'm winning, obviously. When is this over? Speed running. I won again. Button time. How do you play? I mean, I know how to play, only the noobs don't know, yay the noobs. Why is yellow and red taking over? I'm color purple. Purple is my favorite color. Since purple is my favorite color, I'm gonna win. Ugh, I hate color yellow. I'm leaving that section. I'm taking over green. Purple is better thing green. Time to take over yellow. Oh no, yellow is back. Why is ugly green here? Button time. Oh, I'm so good at building broken glass walls underwater. Speed running. Button time. Oh no, Santa is here.
Hello, bad girl, ho ho ho.
Santa, why are you here, ugly?
So I can roast you again.
Ugh. You are so annoying.
So is your face.
Well, you think you can roast me?
Well, I just did.
Anyway, repeat after me. You're ugly.
I just told you that roast.
Learn to take a joke for once.
Learn to make one.
Ugh by Ugly Santa.
Bye.
Yes, I just made a new blues. How did I lose? Button time. I'm so good at parkour. Speed running. I won. Button time. I'm winning. When will this be over? Button time. How did I lose? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And my personality is not like this my real personality. That I'm kind. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you all next time. Goodbye.